Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to my channel, Living Life. Here recently, I posted a short video on a truck bed that we built for a customer that purchased a new F-550 for their business. I'd like to share a little bit of it with you. Here we are heating up the end of the rev rail with the torches. You get it real hot and just keep going back and forth till you see it real red. And then you can hit it with the hammer, and where you've heated it right at that bend, it will then bend to meet the back corner of the bed, so you get just a nice neat bend, which makes it just gives it a real nice finished look. And here we are adding little small, about an inch and a half pieces of tube, and they will act as the wire holders all up underneath for the wires that will be connected to all of the lights, and wire harnesses will go up through. And then here we are just double checking everything, making sure that everything has a proper fit, making sure that all of our welds are complete, just doing a once over before we load it up on the trailer and take it over to have it powder coated. And here it is, all powder coated and ready to take back to the shop and finish it up. Hooking all the lights up, getting all the wire harnesses put in. Added some of the silver and the red DOT tape. Here are the mud flaps. We just need to make the brackets up for them. installing the backup camera that came with the new truck chassis. Fabricating the mud flap brackets here. And yes, I was wearing a welding face shield to protect my eyes. And here you have the finished product. We have a flat bed for an F-550 with a gooseneck hitch, and another happy customer. And as you can see, my inspector is giving the bed a once over too. We have to make sure it is up to her expectations. So if you've liked the video that I've shared with you, if you could hit that thumbs up and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. So till the next time, guys, have an awesome rest of your day.